We put the kids in the office because it's the middle room of the house, and it's got the smallest window that's boarded up. I took the mirror doors off the closet just in case. I don't want them falling off the kids if anything should happen. Everything from the basement and the office is in here. The living room, it's a mess. Amps, drums, desk. Got the pool pump over there, but it's not on right now because the water stopped rising for now. And it's connected to a hose. All right. Hose is feeding out the kitchen window. Got this here, keep the bugs out.
The moisture's coming up, and then it's getting pushed inland, and then we're getting that rain inland. Well, I'm noticing not so many green.
Everything from outside and on the deck is in here. Another mess. This is probably all from. I don't know if you can see it. John's got that industrial pump down there where the water collects, connected like to a huge fire hose.